Hi, first grade. It is Mrs. Norris here again with you. I hope you are having a great day so far, and I hope that you had a wonderful weekend. And I hope you're glad to be back. I'm certainly glad to have you back here with me. And today we're going to take another deep dive, and we're going to talk about some words. So I'm going to read this list of words to you, and I want you to see what you notice these words have in common. Are you ready? Feel free to read along with me. So, what do these words have in common? Reading, writing, skipping, hugging, flying, moving, rubbing, feeding. What did you notice about those words? You may have noticed two things. You may have noticed that these are all action words. Give a thumbs up if you notice these were all action words, right? And what are action words called again? We learned from Miss Taylor, right? Verbs. Action words are called verbs. You may have also noticed that these words all sound the same at the end, right? Listen to a couple of these again. Reading, writing, skipping, hugging. What do you notice is at the end of all of those words in the list? Yes, ing, or the word part ing. All right, so remember last week we talked about past tense verbs. And past tense verbs means that it's an action or a verb that happened in the past, right? And does anybody remember what did we add to our verbs to make them mean in the past? That's right, ed. Well, ed is a word ending, and so is ing. But ing changes the meaning of verbs in a different way. While ed makes it mean it happened in the past, like baked a cake last weekend. I baked a cake last weekend. When we say ing or add ing to a verb, it makes it mean it's happening right now, right? I'm baking a cake in the oven right now. I'm baking a cake means it's happening right now. It's taking place right now. So here's the great thing. When you learn the word, and it's what we call the root word, you learn the word bake. Now you also know the other words that we can make with word endings when we use the word bake, like baked a cake last week or baking a cake right now. And that can help us. It's kind of like a twofer, right? Have you ever heard that? It's like you get two for one. Sometimes I used to call it a BOGO, buy one, get one free. Sometimes you see that at stores. You can learn that one root word. And then once you learn the other endings, it's like you know all of those other words as well. So it's a word BOGO. All right. So you can see here on this list, I've separated the words between what we call their root word, like skip, and then the word with the ending ing at the end. So skip, you could say I like to skip in the park. But if you said I am skipping in the park, you're talking about it happening right now, while it's happening, while it's going on. Okay. You may notice that sometimes we have to double the final consonant. That means when we have the word skip, we have to write skip and then add another P and then ing. We'll talk a little bit more about the rules of, when to add an extra letter or, how to do that, and talk a little bit more about the spelling. What's really important for us right now to remember is that verbs are action words. And when we have verbs, we can add ing to the end of them. And that makes it mean it's happening right now. So when you learn that one root word, it's your buy one get one free, your BOGO. You learn that one word, and really it's more like you get more than one. You learn that one root word, then you know that you can add ed in most cases, or you can add ing, and that helps us learn all the more words just by learning that one root word. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of sentences and see if we can find the ing in the sentence. So I'll read it and then see if you can find the word that has ing. There is a little girl named Anna, little typo there, sorry. There is a little girl named Anna, fast asleep, dreaming about the world outside and beyond the hill. Can you find the word that has ing in it? Yeah, that's right. I'm going to move this circle and put it right there for the word dreaming, right? Dream is the root word, and dreaming has our ing ending, meaning it's happening right now at that time that they're telling this story. All right, let's try another one. Anna picks up book after book and finds pink dolphins and blue butterflies, castles and fairies, talking lions and magic carpets. Can you find the ing word? Yeah, talking, right? Nice job. Talking. Excellent. So the root word is talk, and then we have talking with the ing. One more. Stories fly from her mouth and fingers like magic, falling into the hands of the children waiting below. Which word has an ing ending? What do you think? Can you find it? Yeah, falling. Excellent. We will circle falling. That has the ing. Fall. Ing is the ending. All right, very good. Okay, so for your activity today, to get a little practice with root words and adding the ing ending, you will go into your Seesaw, which you came into your Seesaw to this activity to watch this video. But once you're finished watching the video, tap Add, and you will see this chart on your student response page. And wherever you see the yellow highlighted section, that's where you are going to fill in the blank. So in this one, we have the word eat. So what you want to do is use your pen tool or your typing tool, and you want to show how do we write the word eat with the ing ending, and what would that new word become? It would be eating, right? So you can use your pen or typing tool. Now on these ones, you have the word that has the ing ending, but we'd like you to write the root word. So if we have walking, what's the root word of walking? And you'll write it in this box. So anywhere you see the yellow, the filled in, the yellow highlighted, that's the part that you want to fill in. Okay? All right, and when you're finished with that, you can tap the check and send it through. So remember, ing added to a verb means it's happening right now. Excellent. Great job. Keep up the great work, and I will see you all soon.